Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Space Voyage.
In this video, I am going to give complete information about Mars 2020 Perseverance rover. Perseverance is a Mars rover manufactured by the Jet Propulsion Laboratory for the use in NASA's Mars 2020 mission. Perseverance will carry 7 scientific instruments to study the Martian surface at Jezero crater. It carries 23 cameras in total and 2 microphones. The rover will be accompanied by helicopter Ingenuity, which will help Perseverance to search for locations to study. The rover is scheduled to launch on 30th July 2020 and it is expected to land on Mars in February 2021. The Perseverance rover was designed with the help from Curiosity's engineering team and both are similar. Engineers redesigned the Perseverance rover wheels to be more robust than Curiosity's wheels, which have sustained more damage. The rover will have thicker, more durable aluminum wheels with reduced width and greater diameter than Curiosity rover's wheels. This Perseverance rover is going to carry 7 scientific instruments. Come, let's see what they are and how these instruments help to study Martian surface. First instrument is planetary instrument for X-ray lithochemistry, an X-ray fluorescence spectrometer to determine the fine-scale elemental composition of Martian surface materials. RIMFAX radar imager for Mars subsurface experiment, a ground penetrating radar to image different ground densities, structural layers, buried rocks, meteoroids, and detect groundwater ice and salty water at 10 meters depth. Mars Environmental Dynamics Analyzer, a set of sensors that measure temperature, wind speed, direction of wind, pressure, relative humidity, radiation, and dust particle size and shape. Mars Oxygen Experiment, an exploration technology investigation that will produce a small amount of oxygen from Martian atmospheric carbon dioxide. This technology could be scaled up in future for human life support or to make the rocket fuel in return missions. SuperCam, an instrument suite that can provide imaging, chemical composition analysis, and mineralogy in rocks. It is an upgraded version of ChemCam on Curiosity rover but with 2 lasers and 4 spectrometers that will allow to remotely identify biosignatures and access the past habitability. Mastcam Z, a stereoscopic imaging system with the ability to zoom, scanning habitable environmental with Raman and luminescence for organics and chemicals. An ultraviolet Raman spectrometer that uses fine scale imaging and an ultraviolet laser to determine fine scale mineralogy and detect organic compounds. Mars Helicopter Ingenuity is a solar powered helicopter drone with a mass of 1.8 kilograms that will be tested for flight stability and for its potential to scout the best driving route for the Perseverance rover. Other than cameras, it carries no scientific instruments with it. Its job is merely to demonstrate the practicality of flight on Mars. The small helicopter is expected to fly up to 5 times during its 30-day testing and will fly no more than 3 minutes per day. It is a technology demonstrator that will form the foundation on which More capable helicopters can be developed for aerial exploration of Mars and the other planetary targets with an atmosphere. This Ingenuity is going to be the first thing to fly on other planets other than Earth.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.